I'm Troy Fuemmeler, work for the Corps of Engineers at Glasgow Project Office. I'm an engineering tech. I'm also the non-federal levee inspector. During times of high water, I come out here, meet with sponsors, provide technical assistance whenever needed. So right now we're located at Teteseau Levee. It's right here below Waverly, Missouri, along the Missouri River. Several thousand acres behind this system right here. So right here behind us, what happened, the levee collapsed here about a week and a half ago, and the sponsors came in here and provided more protection by laying sandbags where it subsided. So what a sand boil usually is, it's under seepage coming underneath the levee embankment. So somewhere or another, the water has found a path to circumvent under the levee embankment and come up on the inside slope of the levee system. Whenever that happens, a lot of times it starts pulling material with that water flow as well, creating a void underneath that levee embankment. And at times, this is what happens right here, you get a collapse in the levee system. The levee we're standing on right now, Teteseau, is a non-federal levee. We also have federal levees inside the Kansas City program. The biggest difference between the two of them, federals and non-federals, is during levee rehab. One is fully funded by the government for rehab, and the other one's a cost share, 80-20. Yeah, so the rehab status for the levees after the fact will be we come in here and repair any damages, any side kill, any breaches, setbacks, and things like that. We've been in a flood fight since the middle of March, mostly above Kansas City. Now it's moved east to Kansas City towards St. Louis. We'll be in it, till the end, until the event's over, until our sponsors no longer need help.